Waalaikumsalam.
Hello everybody, good morning. I'm Afi and this is my friend Salma and with me.
Hi, I'm Salha. I'm Daphne.
Today we are going to explain about infused water. Let my friend Salma to introduce.
Okay, thank you, Afi. Okay, thank you, Afi. Okay, guys, we know that humans need water and we can't live without water, right? And how much water do we need every day? Of course, 8 glasses. But many people drink less than 8 glasses. And then what happens with them? They get dehydrated. That's right. Oh my god.
Maybe we are poor drinking 8 glasses of water a day. So now here we present you about the infused water, a new way of drinking water.
What is the infused water and how to make it and what's the benefit of this water?
Okay, infused water is the water with flavor. And we can use some fruits and slice the fruit and add into the water. We can use fruit and can also use the fragrant herbs and some raw vegetable.
What fruits can be used to make it?
Okay, most of them are juicy fruits such as limes, lemons, oranges, grapes, melons, watermelons, kiwis, strawberries, and many more. You can, but don't use bananas or avocado. You can also can use some raw vegetables like cucumbers, carrots, or celery. Or you can add some herbs like cinnamon, basil, rosemary, rose petal, star anise, and many more. Or the lemongrass or ginger root.
Oh, I see. Can the best time to have this water?
Yeah, of
course.
Anytime.
You can drink it anytime, no specific time.
Yeah, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, the afternoon, anytime.
Can you show us here to make this water?
Of course.
Okay, guys.
Here we have lemons
Cucumber.
and limes.
Okay. First, choose what the fruits that we want to add into the water. And don't forget, make sure that our fruits clean from any dirt. And then, after you wash and clean it, you slice the fruit like this. Like like this, and then pour some water. Pour some water. Okay, enough. Okay, and the infused water is ready to serve. Easy, right?
Infused water is an ideal drink to serve for our family. You can make it in a jug, in a bottle, in a glass, in a pitcher, or you can make it in a large dispenser. It is nice to have a pitcher of water filled with colorful fruits.
Here. We can have in 8 glasses of water the interactive way. It's interesting.
Yes, it's interesting.
This water is good or bad?
Of course. Some recipes can be used for detox
or weight loss.
And studies have shown that drinking water naturally boosts your metabolism. And drinking fruit-infused water for weight loss can be an easy way to increase your water intake. And the simple detox water are cheap enough and have almost 0 calories and
good for your health.
Yeah, and taste great too.
Do you have something to make it?
Here I have some tips to make infused water. First, infuse the water at room temperature, not more than 2 hours. Then refrigerate it to prevent the bacterial growth. Second, if you use citrus fruits like lemons, limes, or oranges, if you don't peel the fruit, the water will taste bitter. Prevent it by peeling it before soaking. Third, if you don't drink within 24 hours, strain out the solids and put it in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And the last, to keep sipping all day long, refill your infused water container when it's half full. The taste will be weaker than your first drink, but it's still flavored and it's still good. Okay, that's all about the infused water.
We hope that you can make it in your home.
Yes, for your own good.
Because it is very good for your body, for your health.
And also cheap.
First. Okay, that's all.
That's all about infused water. Thank you for listening
your
us.
attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.